Welcome back. Now, across the Caribbean this evening, we're continuing to see those isolated thunderstorms develop across the Greater Antilles from that moisture convergence and from that trough system, which have both been persisting across the area over the past few days. There are shallow mid to upper level clouds across the open waters of the basin with some isolated showers, but most of our thunderstorms are developing across the land masses of the Greater Antilles. We expect conditions to be much of the same for tomorrow. The forecast for tonight is for generally fair skies. We're expecting conditions to fair out across most of the island. Temperatures 24 degrees Celsius both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. We do also have 5-knot winds on both coasts. In the morning tomorrow, we are expecting generally sunny conditions right across the island. For the afternoon, look for a return of the clouds with isolated showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures 31 degrees Celsius both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now, our breakdown. Expect isolated showers and a few thunderstorms for sections of Spanish Town, Maypen and Mandeville tomorrow. We're also expecting isolated showers and thunderstorms in Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar and Negril. Elsewhere, look for isolated showers across the inland areas of the west. That's particularly in Christiana, also in Grange Hill. We do have shower activity and thunderstorm activity also forecast for Duncans and K Valley. Expected to be mostly cloudy for Richmond and Moortown. Now, the next few days, scattered showers, a few thunderstorms also expected on Friday and Saturday, but much of the activity is likely across inland areas and eastern parishes on Sunday. Now for the marine forecast. Northeasterlies at 10 to 15 knots. That's what we're expecting on the north coast tomorrow. The wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, expect the winds from the east at 10 to 15 knots. Wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. And then for offshore areas, the winds are from the east-northeast at 10 to 15 knots, as wave heights are also between 1 and 1.5 meters. For the next few days, we do expect the winds to be out of the east at 10 to 15 knots, but on Sunday, the winds are between 15 and 20 knots from the east, with wave heights getting up to 2 meters. Sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 16 past 6, 19 past 6 in Mandeville, and 22 past 6 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening, but we thank you so much for watching.